Today on In the Box, we will be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. So I'm only going to be opening one of them because both of these devices come with the same items inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. The first layer here looks like it's a container for the books, but let's look at this device. This device looks really nice. It feels really good in my hand. This one is the standard Note 10, and you can see the cameras on the back. It looks like 3 lenses. It feels good in my hand. The Plus also felt great as well. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what comes in here. First, we'll have the SIM tool. This is the tool that if you watch the how-to videos, how to remove the SIM in the SD, that's the tool that you will use in order to remove those items from the phone as they are built in. Let's check in what comes in here with these books here. There's nothing else in here. Okay, cool. So the first book, we have the terms and conditions and Spanish. So they give you both, it looks like. We have, oh, okay. So it looks like there's a screen protector built into the device. I didn't see that when I took out the device. It's pretty thin. We have the welcome guide or the start guide. Those typically come with every Samsung device to kind of teach you how to get around the basic steps of the phone. Feel free to take a look at that when you purchase your device. We have the Smart Switch pamphlet. As you know, that's built into the phones to transfer information. We have the terms and conditions in English. So for those that don't speak Spanish, there you have it. And we have the return policy in the warranty book. So any warranty questions will probably be found in this book. You do get a year warranty from the manufacturer for manufacturer defects, no physical damage. But let's continue. Let's lift this up here. That's nothing. We have the sticker with the serial numbers. This is pretty standard with the high-end Samsung devices, I've noticed. Next, we have this charging base. Now, this charging base is supposed to charge the Samsung devices a lot faster than the ones that have come in the boxes in the past. So, it's a supercharger. It's a little heavy. I noticed it's a little heavy. It feels nice. But let's continue. We have this little compartment here with a few things inside. I don't even know. How does this, sorry about that. How does this thing come apart? What's inside of it? Oh, I see there's a couple things. Oh, here we have, this is the adapter that converts a standard USB to USB-C. This is also used for Smart Switch. So you use this tool in order to pull information from your old device to then go into the new device that you're purchasing. But there is something else in here. It felt like there was something else. Let me see. How does this open up? I don't want to rip it. Is it that door? It's not coming out. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. I am doing these videos with one hand, recording with the other. Let me see if I can get whatever's. It's definitely something in there. There you go. So it looks like. Oh, I forgot to even mention this. The stylus. So this looks like the stuff that you use to change the tips on the stylus and the stylus tips. I'm struggling to open it. Give me a second, guys. I might have to just tear this up. I don't want to put the camera down. Hold on real quick. Let me see if I could just get this thing open. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Here it is. So this is the tool that you use to take the tip out of the stylus, and there's a couple tips in there. So I'm assuming there is wear and tear. Let's take a look. I forgot to even check that out. I forgot we're dealing with a note. So you press this down and it looks like it just pops right out. This stylus is pretty cool. If you look into the device, there are added features that are used, especially dealing with the camera. They added a few features with the device that the stylus does aid with. Now let's continue with the unboxing. Here we have the AKG headphones. Those are also standard with the high-end Samsung Galaxy devices. Now if you guys notice at the bottom, there is no headphone jack. So that's the stylus hole, and we have the charging hole. So there is no headphone jack. These headphones now use the USB-C port, the Type-C port, in order to play the music. So there you have it. This is the end of it, which I'll show you guys. So here we have the additional buds. If you're looking for smaller, bigger sizes, you have additional buds that do come with the headphones, and there you have the connection here. So it goes through the USB-C port. There is no longer any headphone jacks. You can also use the Bluetooth Samsung headphones if you rather use those. Now the last item that looks like is in the box is the charger. This is a hefty cable. It does feel pretty solid. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. As you guys saw on the base, it is a USB-C connection. So that is something else that I've noticed is becoming pretty standard with the new high-end Android devices. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.